back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys the new Juvia's Place palettes. They recently launched 4 6-well pan palettes and your girl got all of them. They have the nudes, the chocolates, the berries, and the violets. And they are beautiful. You guys know that I am a Juvia's Place fanatic, okay? I love their palettes. I collect them all. I have every single one of the palettes that they've ever launched. All of their palettes. I love them. They're gorgeous. They have some of the best matte eyeshadows. I think their mattes are so smooth. Their shimmers, here and there. Sometimes it's like, but they have crazy pigmentation, great price point, and amazing like artwork on their palettes. So yeah, also make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be doing my very first giveaway. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Woo. Okay guys, so let's get started. As usual, I have my brows done. Well, partly done. I need to fill in the front of it, but I usually wait to the end to do that. I have my eyes primed using the ABH Eyeshadow Primer. I freaking love this stuff. Let's go ahead and come on closer, okay? Hey guys, you can see all my imperfections. Listen, it's that time of the month, okay? That's why I have all these crazy breakouts. Let's go ahead and get a sip of our kombucha. I'm drinking the pomegranate. I actually really like this stuff. Like, I was craving this. I had to stop at the store because I was like, I don't got no more at home and I need some. Okay, let's get started. So, you know what? I need makeup wipes. So, as you guys know, they came out with 4 new palettes. And honestly, this palette right here is probably gonna be my favorite. From the swatches alone, I love it. Just look at this palette. It's something that I would actually take with me to travel with, just because I love the depth that it has and I like these shades here. But for today, I'm probably just gonna be using these 2 palettes. The violets is pretty. Oh my gosh, like this purple right here. Oh, she came for us. Oh, and I noticed that for the chocolates, the writing is different. On all the other palettes, it's like the same. Whatever, I don't think you guys care about that. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna be using these 2 palettes. I'm gonna first start off with the nudes. This one. Going into this palette, I'm gonna go to the shade first. Sorry guys, if you see that one eye is looking done before I get to you guys, it's because I'm also filming this video for an IGTV video. And I'm having to get my shots, like, y'all, this stuff is not easy. Like, trying to film 2 videos in one, like, having to get, like, the shots you want. Yeah. Anyways, I'm putting that in the crease. And I'm using this blending brush that I got from Morphe. As usual, I use the same brush as you guys. You guys can see what I'm doing. I hope I'm in focus. Oh. I was about to sing that song from her, Focus. But then I couldn't remember the tune, so I just humbled myself and said, well, let me not. One thing I will give Juvia's Place is that they make really good mattes. Sometimes their shimmers are a little tricky, but their mattes are always very smooth and I love it. So I'm gonna put this palette down and I'm gonna go into the berries palette. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm gonna go into the shade right here. Right here. Okay, switching gears, I'm gonna go into this palette again and I'm gonna go into, go into this shade. I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna be packing that shade on. Cause we're gonna be doing a cut crease today, guys. So what you want to do is you want to pack this shade on because we're trying to build up our pigment. This is going to get blended out, but you want to pack it on. That way when it's time to blend out, you already got like pigment. You don't have to like keep adding on. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm just going to take another blending brush. This is a different one. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges softly. And I'm trying to do it in controlled movements. Like, I'm not trying to spread this up. Like, I really don't want this color to move too high up. So I'm trying to just blend it in place in a way. I wish I was going somewhere. Like, I just went to church today. Went to the store, got me some kombucha. And after I finish this video, I'm just going to be editing it because I would love to get it up today. Today's December. Ciao. January. Today's January 5th. Now I'm gonna go back into the same palette again. We're gonna be using this palette quite a bit. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here with the same brush that I used to pack on. I'm using the other side that I didn't use. And we're pretty much gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna take this, we're gonna place this right here, a little bit lower than where I put that other shade that I just put on. And we are going to take it across. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the outlook of this, because right now, I don't know about it right here. Hope my hands are ashy. Ooh. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna go back into the Nudes palette. Ooh, it kind of matches my nails. Okay. So I'm gonna go back into the first shade that I used, and I'm gonna blend these edges out. I'm not blend the edges out, but well, yes, I wanna just blow it out. I hate that bubbly look where it just looks really placed. I like for my eyeshadow to look very diffuse, like it just blends out. Now we're gonna go back with our ABH Eye Primer, and we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. All right, so I have my crease cut. Okay, so for the lid, I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna pop this all over my lid. Okay guys, so this is the completed eye look, well, partially kind of completed eye look. I went ahead and did some wing liner using the ABH Jet Liner. For lashes, I use these lashes that I get from AliExpress. These are in the style 5D80. I will link them down below if anybody wants to get them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the under eye stuff and the lip, okay? All right, you guys, so I am back and I have majority of my face done. Honestly, I use a lot of Juvia's Place for my foundation. I use the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Legas. I use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J16. For my blush, I use the Fumi, the Queen palette, and I mix these two shades together. For my highlighter, I also use Juvia's Place, the Nubia palette. This video is not sponsored. I don't even think they know that I exist, but I just felt like I'm just in a Juvia's Place type of mood. So for my bottom eyeshadow, I'm gonna go back into the Berries palette, and I'm gonna first take, I'll take the shade first. So I'm taking this pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge this like all over. You guys, trying to film a video for Instagram is like no joke. Like, I'm actually a little like anxious about it, just for the fact that like people on Instagram are very, very mean, okay? Keep it on the down low. Come on in, you guys. You guys are so far away. Come! Sorry. You're just like, well, we didn't have no option, girl. You ain't zoom us in. My bad, my bad. So you want to go ahead and do all of that. And then we're going to take this really, really, really thin brush, and we're going to go into this shade right here, which I kind of messed up because I kind of got it a little wet. And we're just gonna go ahead and smudge this right here, okay? Smudge it here, and you might as well just go ahead and break it all the way in. Why not? Oh my gosh, like this foundation actually feels really heavy. It feels really heavy. You know what's a really good foundation that I just like discovered? Like, it's been out for a while, but like I just started wearing it, is the Jouer foundation. If you want full coverage, that foundation, it's like paint, like it's like hella full coverage. And I love the concealer. Oh my gosh, you guys, like that concealer is bomb. Like yeah, if you haven't tried it out and you're like looking for like a new full coverage matte finish foundation, I would try that out. And if you're just looking for like a new like full coverage concealer, try out the Jouer concealer. You know, it's pretty good. For my bottom liner, I'm gonna go back into the Jet Liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. All right, so let's go ahead and do bottom mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Damn Girl mascara from, what's this people called? Too Faced. Honestly, if you have like short lashes, I wouldn't recommend this mascara. Like it's a nice mascara, but like the brush is so big. It's like hard to like get in there. Like this is a mascara that's really good for somebody who already has like naturally like long lashes. But for me, it's like I'm like struggling to use this brush. It's like huge. Whoa, you guys, we are almost done. I'm ready to eat. Do you know what I'm gonna make for lunch? I'm gonna make some chicken wings. Let me go ahead and finish filling in the rest of my eyebrow because I look pretty stupid now. I need to fix this eyebrow because what the hell is this? Whitney, what is that? No, ma'am. Oh! Let me change my battery. Okay. Yo, girl is bunk. Okay, my battery's trying to die, but guess who got a spare? Me. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look for my lips. I used the Colourpop X Shayla, her BFF4 lip liner. And then I used a lipstick from her first collab in the shade Quickie. This is from Colourpop. And then for gloss, I used the Artist Couture lip gloss in Uncensored. This lip gloss is bomb. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so now for those of you who made it to the end of the video, I am going to be doing a giveaway. This is my very first giveaway, you guys. Okay, and it's gonna be opened. Well, let me show you guys what I'm even giving you guys. So for my very first giveaway, I will be giving one of you guys all 4 of these palettes. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these. Okay. I love these, even though I've only used like these 2. You guys know I'm a big Juvia's Place supporter. I love their palettes. I love their shadows. So I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky winner. Thank you guys so much for 10K. Okay, so let me tell you guys how to enter. So you have to be subscribed to my channel, and yes, I can check and see if you are subscribed. I can actually see the list of everybody who's subscribed. So you want to go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. You know, like the video. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and then when you do follow me on Instagram, come back to this video, put your Instagram name down below and put done, and that way I'll be able to check. So yeah, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, you gotta follow me on Instagram, and then you gotta leave your Instagram name down below and type in done, and that will enter you. This giveaway will be opened until, let me see, to the 18th. Yeah, I'll give it 2 weeks. 2 weeks, or should I do the 15th? And we'll do it to Saturday, okay? Just because, you know, people like, they trickle in and roll in. So I'll give this to the 18th. Yeah, you got, I went in there. Hold up, I just meant to itch because, you know, people apparently, hold on, let me even fry again. Okay, people irritate me. Some people really irritate me. Like, someone left a comment saying, you touch your hair too much and you're constantly picking your nose. First and foremost, that's nasty to be picking your nose, especially on camera, okay? It's just nasty. I'm not picking my nose, I'm itching that area. People act like, why is it so wrong to scratch around your nose area, but like scratching here, no one blinks an eye. But the minute I scratch my nose area, oh my gosh, she picking her nose. Shut up, we're humans. Stop it, stop being that way. Anyways, I went on a rant. Anyways, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a comment down below, enter the giveaway if you would like to. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.